Hi, I'm Dr. Jade Husby with Stanford Hearing, and we're here today with some tips and tricks to help ensure that your hearing journey is a success. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to clean this style of hearing aid. First, I want to orient you to the different parts here. We have our dome, our ear grip, our retention cord, our receiver wire, the body of the hearing aid here, and then underneath this dome we have what we call the wax filter, which we will talk about later in this video. The first thing you're going to want to do when cleaning a hearing aid is everyone should have a little brush. There might be some variation to the way the brush looks, but this is an example here. You can take the hearing aid and you can just kind of brush it off if it looks like it's got a little bit of wax or debris on it. You can kind of just brush around any of these areas. There's a little pick here. You can kind of pick out if there's maybe a little piece of wax stuck. That's what you do with this little thing here. Second part, you're going to want to hold on to the thick piece here instead of right here. Hold right here. And then a pro tip, if you take a tissue and you pinch this off here, the dome is now in the tissue, and now we've exposed ourselves to the wax filter, okay? That little white piece down in there can be changed. It very, very easily can get clogged with wax. So what we're gonna do, set that down. We're gonna take our filters here. The first slot is the trash can. That's where our old filter is going to go. And the second slot down here is where we're going to get our new filter. In order to move this, you just rotate it with your fingers here until we have an empty trash can and a new filter down here. Okay, I'm going to lay this flat. I'm going to hold the hearing aid just like this. We're going to go straight down into slot 1, pull up. Now you can see in slot 1 that that's the old filter. There's nothing in here anymore. We're going to turn this around, and slot number 2 is where we're going to go and grab the new filter. Push straight down and pull up. We've got a brand new filter in there, okay? So you can lay that down. In order to get to our next open trash can, we are just going to move it with our fingers, slide it over, and now you are ready to do the other hearing aid here. Once done with that, if this looks clean enough to put back on, go ahead and put it on, or you should have extras. Ask your provider if you don't. But you'll see there's a little hole, and you're just going to line it up here, click it back on, make sure it's nice and secure, and that is how you change a dome and a wax filter on this specific hearing aid. Stay tuned for more. If you have any other questions or concerns relating to this video, please visit our website or call us. We look forward to hearing from you.